I'm with my baby Lemon, and we're gonna have a healthy mukbang. It's fruit mukbang. We have,
Totally, I'm gonna get cavity.
yeah, it's singkamas, watermelon,
I don't
and
think-
dragon fruit.
I don't think turnips are fruits.
Turnips, oh yeah, it's not a fruit. Turnip is a vegetable. That's correct. Because turnip does not come from a flower. So biologically speaking, it's not a flower. It's a root crop. Good job, good job. So let's start eating na.
I already ate.
You already, you started eating na. Let's start
Yeah.
with singkamas. Do you know what is a singkamas or a turnip? It's a root crop. It grows underground. But actually, it's called a specialized root. What does the dragon fruit taste like?
It had
Taste like?
it had a bit of sweet when I tasted it. Hit again.
It what?
It had a bit of sweet when I tasted it, but it tastes.
Which one do you prefer? The dragon fruit or your watermelon?
Both.
Both. Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Can we focus on trying to do mukbang? Ah.
Can I focus on her daw? Okay, I'll focus on you. Is that okay na? Let's focus on you. Ah. Mm. 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 Gusto matakaw, ha? Dragon fruit. How about dragon fruit? Your mouth? Oh. You want more about the dragon fruit? Hanggang tikim ka lang eh. You said you like it. Tatampo-tampo ka pa kanina kasi ayaw kitang ibili. You see that? So matakaw. So matakaw. Ano? Kasi you're eating without eating. There's seed pa. The color. Do not laugh kasi. Why are you laughing ba? You drink na. You don't like na, we'll end our mukbang na. Di mo natin naubos? Grabe ka naman, baby.
Gonna eat that all.
Harap naman. Takaw tikim ka lang.
Wait,
What?
si Leslie mapangit.
Don't say them
Give me the one without seeds.
without seed. Oh, that's... Okay na? Yeah, very nice. Especially not that it's very, very hot.
Whoa.
Hindi, ubusin na namin to. Ang hirap ka mukbang nito. Tawa ng tawa. Bye-bye. See you next time. Say bye-bye.
No.
No daw. Yes. We have to finish now. Look, oh, your mouth is full. Do not forget to like and
You
subscribe.
don't need to sponsor to like and subscribe, Mom!
Kasama sa mga video ng anak ko.
Hi!
Bye-bye!